So I'm with my friend. We're on top of a roof of a building that is basically, for all intents and purposes, abandoned. And we're gonna take you through the different floors as we make our way down. Our stairwell is blocked off, so it's been used as a dumping ground, and we're gonna go and use the internal stairwell instead. Do you know what this plant is?
These plants are no. It looks like aloe vera,
Yeah, it does.
but it's not.
Yeah.
It's not. Yes, if you want to ask something to the god, you want
Right.
an answer, you shake it. After one stick is dropped on the ground, and then there is a story stated on the paper, and the fortune teller will tell you what the god wants to tell you.
Right. Okay. But they wrote down the stories to begin with.
Yes.
So
yes.
it's based on what they've already predetermined.
Predetermined, yes.
In a way. Okay. Oh no, they've eaten all the chocolate. So this is the 7th floor, if that's right on there.
Yes.
We're working our way down. And some of these rooms are open, and we're going to have a little explore inside the rooms as well. Are you surprised already by what's been left behind? Because it looks like it's people have evacuated from like an earthquake or a natural disaster.
PS2 game?
Is it?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Are you surprised already?
Yeah. This is the first time I've visited a abandoned building. But interesting.
So smelly in here. Musty smell. Some keys. I wonder what they're for.
You see the stick?
Yeah?
When it detects someone, a person, it will have look at that statue.
Yeah.
If it detects a person body, it will have this
And what does it do?
to check the supernatural.
Oh, for ghosts and stuff?
Ghosts, yes.
Oh. This person was a Mac user. There's Microsoft Office for Mac there. It's a pretty big room.
Hey, look at this notes.
It's in English. As I say, Center for China's Development, Hong Kong Guangdong Trade may erode order. Don't know what that says. Hong Kong courts, Chinese. Increased operation triad. Increased smuggling, corruption, PRC, what, more important. Something about men here. Or MFN, sorry.
Is it about China take back Hong Kong in 1997? Not sure.
Yeah. There's no date on it, which is a shame. This is the new construction that's been built opposite, and eventually this building will be dismantled as well because they're owned by the same company, the land that is. Just be careful, there's mold in that room. You don't want to breathe that in.
Yep.
This is where the kid lived, clearly.
This is the polling card.
That's 2015.
2000, yes.
got his name on there.
I don't think it's a Chinese, it's
No.
a foreigner. How come they watch Chinese film?
What a random collection of books to leave behind. My country, Thailand. Huh.
Wanna go inside?
Sure.
Who's this guy? Law.
It's always interesting to see how people just, well, leave everything behind. And then we have to think about why and how. I'm surprised that no homeless have moved in.
Yeah.
And I'm also surprised, oh my, that's an actual shower, I just realised, with a little bathtub. You just can only sit, you can't lie down. There's no rats.
It means this, the inventory goes up.
Infantry,
and infantry. I don't think this is a
like soldiers.
not soldiers. Stocks.
I would be interested to find out the date of when people moved out, because you've got a calendar there that says 1994. We just saw the tax record, so the polling record, and that said 2015. I'm digging the upholstery on that chair. This says September 2011. It's so big, this apartment. There's a little shrine.
The picture here, the photo. Kids.
Have you noticed they've replaced the door with a fire door?
Oh yes.
Isn't that strange? Because the door should look like this, or something
wanna
similar.
check inside?
Yeah, sure. I like the redundancy of the keyhole, or the peephole, which is sort of eye level with the metal gate.
This is refurnished.
Free toilet paper. This would make me think someone's still living here, but if they are, why? On the top floor.
I wonder why they don't take this statue with them.
It's a beautiful statue.
Yes. Hey, look at this. A coin. Is it pound?
It's a crone.
Pro.
I think that's a European coin. Bunk beds, swish music system. More bunk beds. So it's like 4 people so far that could live here. And then you've got this 5th bed. Yeah, unopened. 1997. Cognac. The sink is in the hallway. It's kind of strange. And then on the other side, you've got a tiny little bathtub again. That looks really well organized considering Some clay pots here for rice making. Yeah? Sure. A lot of incense.
This coin is rare. This is 10 cents
From Hong Kong?
from Hong Kong. Very rare.
The date on this is 1960.
1960.
1960, yeah.
This guy is 70 years old. He took a, I think it's X-ray for his chest in 1997.
Huh.
One tone. This is this guy.
Uh-huh.
He is working in a car company,
Or was, yeah.
Auto Parts and Accessory Company Limited.
Java
One ton.
Road, North Point. Okay.
Managing director. Wow.
Huh. So he didn't live far from where he worked. You see, these two bottles here have no dust on them. So it makes me think that they were recently put here.
Ah.
What have we got? Another cognac? Maybe? I can't tell. He likes his wine. He likes his spirits.
Do you want to take them?
No.